In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart to create an ER diagram in just 5 minutes. Lucidchart is a fantastic online tool that's perfect for schematics of all kinds, and entity relationship diagrams are no exception. Let's dive in and get started by accessing Lucidchart. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Lucidchart homepage. If you're not already familiar with their platform, you'll find that it's designed to make complex diagramming straightforward, thanks to its intelligent, intuitive interface. Once you're on the Lucidchart page, look for the login option, which is usually at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to bring up the login prompt. Now, you'll need to enter your email address. After typing in your email, go ahead and click the next button to proceed. This step is essential for securely accessing your account, so make sure you've entered your details correctly. Then you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and click on the login button. Great, you're now logged in. From here, you'll want to navigate to your document dashboard. This is where Lucidchart houses all your current projects, making it easy to access or start new ones. Once you've arrived here, click on the new button to initiate a project. Doing so will present you with various options. For our purposes today, select Lucidchart from the available options. This will take you to a fresh canvas where you can create your ER diagram. With the new Lucidchart document open, click on Create from Template. Templates are incredibly useful, especially if you're new to creating ER diagrams, as they lay out a structure you can modify as needed. In the template search bar, type in ER diagram and browse through the options presented. Find one that closely matches what you envision for your project and click Use. Now you're in the heart of the action, ready to start crafting your ER diagram. Lucidchart's tools are incredibly versatile, allowing you to add entities, attributes, and relationships with ease. If you need to incorporate specific graphics or logos, look to the toolbar for the image icon. Click there and you have the option to upload images directly into your diagram. This can help personalize or further clarify elements of your ER diagram. And there you have it, a quick guide to creating an ER diagram using Lucidchart. With practice, you'll find that the process becomes even quicker and more intuitive. So go ahead, give it a try, and take full advantage of Lucidchart's robust capabilities to bring your diagramming projects to life. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!